Nightfall in the City of Hyderabad by Sarojini Naidu. See how the speckled sky burns like a pigeon's throat, jeweled with embers of opal and peridot. See the white river that flashes and scintillates, curved like a tusk from the mouth of the city gates. Hark! From the minaret, how the muezzin's call floats like a battle flag over the city wall. From trellised balconies, languid and luminous, faces gleam, veiled in a splendor voluminous. Leisurely elephants wind through the winding lanes, swinging their silver bells, hung from their silver chains. Round the high Charminar, sounds of gay cavalcades blend with the music of cymbals and serenades. Over the city bridge, night comes majestical, born like a queen to a sumptuous festival. See how the speckled sky burns like a pigeon's throat, jeweled with embers of opal and peridot. See the white river that flashes and scintillates, curved like a tusk from the mouth of the city gates. Hark! From the minaret, how the muezzin's call floats like a battle flag over the city wall. From trellised balconies, languid and luminous, faces gleam, veiled in a splendor voluminous. Leisurely elephants wind through the winding lanes, swinging their silver bells, hung from their silver chains. Round the high Charminar, sounds of gay cavalcades blend with the music of cymbals and serenades. Over the city bridge, night comes majestical, born like a queen to a sumptuous festival.
Good morning, my dear friends. Today we are moving on with another poem written by Sarojini Naidu, who is known as the Nightingale of India. So to say that her poems are well known due to its lyrical and expressive nature. And in this poem, The Nightfall, the city of Hyderabad, she describes the city of Hyderabad with all its local colors. She presents to the reader an ornate and intense image of night falling over the ancient city of Hyderabad. So herein, Sarojini Naidu is explaining to us the beauty of the ancient city of Hyderabad with all its details. Now let us go on and see what the poem is all about. See how the speckled sky burns like a pigeon's throat, jeweled with embers of opal and peridot. See how the speckled sky burns like a pigeon's throat. Speckled sky here would mean dotted sky. The sky is dotted with what? It's a night, and of course the sky would be dotted with lighted stars. Lot of twinkling stars lit up the sky, and this lighted sky with the stars is compared with a pigeon's throat, jeweled with embers of opal and peridot. Opal and peridot is again is precious stones and metals pigeon's throat, the designs of the pigeon's throat. So here the author Sarojini Naidu makes a simile of the speckled sky with the pigeon's throat, jeweled with embers of opal and peridot. So this is about the description of the night, how the night looks like. The first couplet is about the description of the sky. The next couplet is about the river. See the white river that flashes and scintillates, curved like a tusk from the mouth of the city gates. Now there is a river that is flowing through the city of Hyderabad, and she says that that river is flashing in the night, maybe because of the littered sky with full of stars, and the reflection comes to the sea, the reflection comes to the river, and it is flashing. It is flashing. See the white river that flashes and scintillates. Scintillates would mean sparkling, sparkling. And then Sarojini Naidu says that river looks like the tusk of the elephant. You have seen elephant and its tusk, isn't it? So the river goes through the city, and the river looks like the tusk of the elephant in the mouth of the city gates. Next couplet goes like this. Hark from the minaret, how the musician's call floats like a battle flag over the city wall. Hark means listen very carefully. From the minaret, from the minaret, what happens? How the musicians call. How the musicians call. Musician is a person who calls people, hark the people, or warns the people about the time of prayer. Yes, he is calling from the minaret, and then his calling is floating like a battle flag over the city wall. Even during this time of celebration, the musician is calling out people for prayer. He is calling out people to wage the war, the battle of purity. Therefore, it looks like the battle flag over the city wall. From trellised balconies, languid and luminous faces gleam, veiled in splendor voluminous. And the author says, from the balconies, there are different types of people who are viewing all this ceremony that is taking place. And the face expressions of people are different. Some are relaxed, some faces are lightened up, luminous, brightened up. Some faces of the members or of the women and children are gleaming, veiled in a splendor and voluminous. Okay. All these faces are very bright, they are very happy. This is what it means all about. Next two lines goes like this: leisurely elephants wind through the winding lanes, swinging their silver bells hung from their silver chains. So it speaks about a march done by the elephants through the city lanes. It's a leisurely walk that the elephants are making, and how while they are walking, the silver bells that are hung around their neck with the silver chain is swinging and making the noise. It hears as though it's a splendid music. Round the high Charminar, sounds of gay cavalcades blend with the music of cymbal and serenade. And what does she see next? She sees cavalcades. Cavalcades means people on horses, lines of people on horses. They are also in this procession, and they are adding beauty to this entire procession. Round the high Charminar, sounds of gay cavalcades. Gay cavalcades would mean happy. People who are very, very happy and enthusiastic, who are lined up on horses, horsebacks, blend with the music of cymbals and serenades. Imagine a feast in a temple or a church, etc. You will find people who play band and other music instruments, people who play chanda and other drums, and how happy and gay they will be, and the people surrounding them also will be lit up, and they will be watching this parade with enthusiasm and happiness. And the last two lines goes like this: over the city bridge night comes majestical, born like a queen to a sumptuous festival. So, looking at the city from a bird's eye view, we can see that the city has adorned like a queen for a sumptuous festival, very impressive festival. The author Sarojini Naidu tells that the overall look of the city is very, very festal and sumptuous, and that it is as though like a queen adorned for a sumptuous festival. So my dear friends, through this poem, Sarojini Naidu is trying to give us an intense image of the night falling over the ancient city of Hyderabad. I hope you have quite well understood the lesson. Come prepared by reading the text over and over, and try to understand the meaning of the lesson properly, and then we shall see more about it during the live session. Thank you, one and all. God bless you.